Long press to turn on the printer. Load the paper. Connect your phone with NIIMBOT app through Bluetooth. The template can be detected automatically. Press the button to feed paper first. Double-click the test frame to add it. Set print copy and density. Double-click to add it. Click Print. Click Scan. Double-click QR code to add it. Click Print. Press button for continuous printing. Click Image to insert the picture. Find the logo material and choose the logo. Save the template for the next editing. Click Intelligent and choose Image Recognition to convert image to text. Click Intelligent and choose Voice Recognition to convert speech to text.
Lemon juice.